When you have inflatable SaluSpa like this and you have cold weather cover and it rains, even if you have a little bit of water, it's very hard to remove it from this cover. Like you try to lift it up and it's like about a bucket of water, but it's hard to remove. To remove all the water, but you see it's not that simple. And you might get wet. Still didn't remove all the water. And of course you can take the cover off. That's not the best solution. Anyways, we had this inflatable spa from the SaluSpa for about a month now. Great product for this price. No complaints whatsoever except one. When it rains, it accumulates water on top of this all-season cover, and while it's not a lot of water, it's quite messy to remove it. And today we're gonna fix it. So we want to make a lid to divert all the rainwater from it. The lid has to be light, so the simplest solution I have is this insulation panels. I had a couple, and what we're gonna do, we'll cut another insulation panel, we'll glue it to this one, and we'll cover it with polyethylene, basically tarp, and then it's gonna divert all the water from this spa. So let's get it done. There is a variety of panels in the stores. I went with 2-inch thickness just because 1-inch are pretty brittle. You can get even higher quality panels if you want. I'm not worried much about insulation. Actually, I use these panels as well when building the base for this spa. Watch my other video for that. And these are leftovers. They're very easy to cut with just utility knife. And I have this piece already cut, so we're gonna glue it right here, like that. And then once it's dried, we're gonna cut it to our needs, and then we're gonna put this tarp on top of it. Now for gluing, we're gonna be using PL300 adhesive or anything that you can find in your local store that is suitable for the foam board. I'll be gluing it right on top of this spa, so I'll just put some cardboard to avoid any mess, and you can use any flat surfaces that you have. We want to make sure that maximum area is covered. And again, this part will not be exposed to the water, but we just want to make sure that the seal is good so it doesn't break. Right, so now we're gonna leave it to dry. We'll come back and we'll cover it with the tarp. So the model we have here is SaluSpa Coronado, and I'll have about 63 inches wide for the length. I want to cover the spa entirely, as well as the box with all the cables and the pump. I would say 90 inches. And right before I glue it up, this tarp, it rained. So let's actually see how it's gonna work. Okay, so here you can keep any length you want to the tarp. You can buy any tarp of your favorite length. I just have about 2 feet on every side. So you can use your favorite super glue, and you will need a couple of plastic cup nails, quite commonly used in roofing. Never touch super glue with bare skin, just use gloves. Never smell it. That's it. Now your tarp or cover is secure and it's glued to the block. And it's also waterproof because you seal the edges of this cup. There you go. We have some wind, but it's not lifting this tarp up.